Okay, again, Parallel Chain Roadmap Review. Hello everyone, it's a pleasure to see you in the 8th issue of the Parallel Chain project. As always, your friendly Mr.Atlant. In more detail, we will be talking about the following: Project Roadmap, Parallel Chain Detailed Overview. The episode will be interesting, so let's get started. At what stage are we currently? Interesting. Is the launch of the Polychain mainnet coming soon? With the recent successful completion of the third test network, 2023 will be an important year for the community, as the project team is eagerly approaching the launch of the Polychain mainnet. Okay, next. In addition to the mainnet launch, PARALLELCHAIN Lab also had the other goals, both technical and otherwise, namely several more stages of the roadmap. The roadmap has found stages approach. We will pay special attention to them. The Knut era is the first stage, named after Dr. Donald Knut of Stanford University. The Knut epoch aims to integrate the basic blockchain needs for the development and the growth of the Polychain mainnet. This includes the PRC1 and PRC2 token standards, which are crucial for the development of interchangeable and irreplaceable tokens for other protocols on the blockchain, as well as a web extension wallet that allows users to manage their Polychain accounts, transfer their own SPL tokens between wallets, or stake XPL tokens through a web browser interface. This era will also see the implementations of the delegated proof of stake depots consensus, which validates blocks on the mainnet, allowing users to delegate their SPL tokens to node validators, as well as an update to hot stuff that replications its finite state machine across a large set of mechanisms. Okay, the N1 era, named after computer engineer Dr. N1. The N1 era aims to incorporate additional network scalability, scaling, and security solutions into Polychain mainnet. Updates in the second era will include zero-knowledge wallets that scale capacity on the mainnet using Polychain's unique dual blockchain infrastructure. At the same time, distributed denial of service (DDoS) mitigation solutions and biometric anti-spoofing technology based on articular intelligence with face and voice recognition will be added to enhance blockchain resilience and security verification. I am done with this era. Let's move on. The Lamport era, named after the scientist Leslie Lamport. The Leslie era will see the Polychain ecosystem grow rapidly as we integrate chain interoperability and support the new protocol on the mainnet. This will include the implementation of smart contracts that enable Ethereum virtual machine area, interoperability on the Polychain mainnet, as well as the launch of our Parallel Wallet mobile app, which replaces traditional password entry with anti-spoofing face and voice verification. Okay. There will also include the integration of a hard wallet for our native SPL token, new and improved Know Your Customer verification with EQC chain 2.0. an exciting developer grant program that aims to support new protocols and serialized applications built on the Parallelchain mainnet. And finally, we are come to the last stage, the Ready era, named after Raja Reddy. The Ready era will elevate Parallelchain mainnet to the realm of artificial intelligence by introducing all-centric developments. This will include a new and improved version of biometrics that relies on advanced AI on trading and programming, as well as expanded smart contract validation tokens that allow for the optimization of smart contracts on the blockchain. The community can also expand the first documentation on the long-awaited inter-Parallelchain communication (EPC) functionality, which will unlock native interoperability between Parallelchain mainnet and Parallelchain enterprise. And finally, I'll close this issue with a few thoughts that summarize everything I've said about the team. With a completing series of events and updates coming in 2023, we look forward to surprising the current blockchain standards of today and enability Web3 developers to grow and find their place in the Vibral blockchain ecosystem. And on that note, I'll wrap up this issue. It was a pleasure to be of service to you, and I'll see you in the next issue. Goodbye.